Hi, my name is Guillermo Sanchez, and I represent Team 4 of Solvo. So welcome to Solvo. Solvo is a platform to connect problems faced by people with entrepreneurs who can solve them. Essentially, if I were to translate this in a more understandable way, have you ever thought of making an app, a Slack bot, for instance, that can order pizza from Domino's instantly? Well, with our platform, we'll be able to make any kind of solution like your Slack bot for ordering pizza. To make this possible, our homepage consists of a similar to Reddit looking like prototype version of it, where people can post some problems to some problems that they encounter really often. For example, a person that wants to order pizza through Slack, there's nothing like that, and that's a problem. Well, you post that on the homepage. Or maybe you want to find a better platform for finding teammates to work at a hackathon, because you notice that there is really no formal or organized fashion of finding teammates, right? What if there was one? Well, that's another problem right there that you can put. The homepage is for everyone to just put down their problems or ideas that they have that they would like for them to be solved by either an entrepreneur or an engineer. On the interest page, that is where users can add their their interested problems that they really captivated their attention. Maybe you, for example, maybe you're interested in that Slack bot to order your pizza. And so you add it to your interest or your favorites in this case, we can also call it that. And that's where you will see your most interested problems that really grabbed your attention. The Investathons page is essentially where the best problems that got the most likes, the most upvotes will be taking place. And this is where all engineers and entrepreneurs can participate for creating their solutions to the proposed problems that were posted on the homepage and get prizes. Thank you for going through the slide deck. This is Team Solvo, and this is our walkthrough GIF. So here you have our Investathons page where you can see all the proposed projects that people would want to work on. This is the homepage where you can click on the details and see the solutions provided by other people. And you can also see the interest page that shows all your saved items in this project. Our project was built with Android and as well as Fast API using Python for our backend service. And we use SQLite for the database. We also use Docker containers to containerize our API application so that it would make it more efficient for our developers to code faster, and also to prevent our team having different versions of Python, because we noticed that that was becoming an issue while we were developing. In addition, some of the most common issues that we encountered was the setting up or connecting the retrofit library for Java to our API for Fast API, because it had a lot of nuances. Like, for example, the dates. The dates had to be converted into a long, and then from a long, you had to convert the long type into a date object. So we had some really minor issues like that that were really bugging us a lot throughout the process. And we also had some issues with designing the database. What was the most efficient way? What was the best way to organize our data and make sure that it's connected to all other types of data? So those were the main issues that we encountered here, but we were able to manage to go through all those issues and finally complete our problem. Thank you for your time. This is Team Solvo.